If trading feels hard, watch this. Trading feels hard right now. And before you scroll away, let me say this slowly and honestly. It's not because you're stupid. It's not because you can't learn. It's not because trading isn't for you. Trading feels hard because you were taught the wrong things, in the wrong order, with the wrong expectations. And today, we're going to reset everything. If you've ever stared at your screen wondering why price did the exact opposite of what you expected, if you've ever followed a perfect setup only to watch it fail instantly, if you've ever felt confident one moment and completely broken the next, stay with me. Because by the end of this, you won't just understand trading better, you'll understand yourself better. And that changes everything. 1. The first truth no one told you about trading. Trading is not hard because markets are complicated. Trading is hard because you are human. You feel fear. You feel hope. You feel urgency. You feel regret. The market doesn't. Price doesn't care about your rent. Your stop loss doesn't care how confident you felt. Your account balance doesn't care how long you've been trying. Most people lose not because they don't know what to trade, but because they don't know how to exist emotionally in uncertainty. And trading is pure uncertainty. Once you accept that, trading becomes simpler, not easier, but clearer. 2. Why trading feels easy for others and impossible for you. Let me break an illusion. Those traders you see online, the ones posting screenshots, withdrawals, calm confidence, they're not smarter than you. They're calmer than you. They've trained their mind to operate without needing to be right every time. You were taught to chase certainty, perfect entries, exact reversals, guaranteed setups. But real traders work with probabilities, not promises. They don't ask, will this trade win? They ask, if I repeat this 100 times, will I come out ahead? That mindset alone separates amateurs from professionals. 3. The real reason you overtrade. You don't overtrade because you're greedy. You overtrade because you're uncomfortable waiting. Silence on the chart feels like danger. No position feels like missing out. Flat days feel like wasted days. But here's the truth. Not trading is a position. Professional traders spend most of their time doing nothing. Waiting is not weakness. Waiting is discipline in its purest form. If trading feels hard, it's because you're trying to force activity instead of allowing opportunity. 4. Why your strategy isn't the problem. Let me be direct. If you keep changing strategies, indicators, time frames, or mentors, the problem isn't the strategy. It's commitment without patience. Most strategies work when risk is controlled, rules are followed, data is respected. But most traders abandon strategies before they gather enough evidence. You don't need a new strategy. You need screen time with intention, not desperation. Mastery doesn't come from searching, it comes from staying. 5. The emotional cycle every trader goes through. Every trader experiences this cycle. Hope, confidence, euphoria, carelessness, loss, fear, revenge, despair. The difference between failing traders and successful ones is not avoiding this cycle. It's recognizing it early. When you feel euphoric, slow down. When you feel desperate, step away. When you feel angry, stop trading. Your emotions are signals, not instructions. 6. Why losses hurt so much. Losses don't hurt because of money. They hurt because losses feel like proof of inadequacy. You don't think, I lost a trade. You think, I failed. That's dangerous. A trade is not a reflection of your intelligence, worth, or future. Losses are business expenses in a probabilistic environment. Once you emotionally detach your identity from outcomes, trading becomes lighter, and clarity returns. 7. The one skill that makes trading easier over time. There is one skill that quietly transforms everything. Risk management. Not entries, not indicators, not psychology tricks. Risk. When you know, a loss won't hurt you. A drawdown won't break you. A bad day won't destroy progress. Your nervous system relaxes. Relaxed traders make better decisions. Good risk management doesn't just protect money, it protects mental stability. 8. Why small accounts feel more stressful than big ones. This might sound strange, but small accounts are emotionally harder. Why? Because you're trying to grow fast, prove something, escape pressure. That creates urgency. Urgency destroys patience. Professional traders think in months and years, not days. If trading feels hard, slow your timeline. Pressure decreases. Clarity increases. 9. The myth of constant confidence. Confidence is not permanent. Even elite traders doubt themselves. The difference is, they don't let doubt control execution. Confidence in trading is not belief in winning, it's belief in process. You don't need to feel confident to trade well. You need to be consistent even when confidence fades. 10. Why most traders quit right before it clicks. This is painful but true. Most traders quit right before understanding deepens. The confusion you feel now? That's integration happening. Your brain is trying to organize complexity into intuition. Quitting resets the process. Staying completes it. If trading feels hard, it might mean you're closer than you think. 11. The role of time in trading mastery. You cannot rush familiarity. Markets have personalities. London behaves differently from New York. News days behave differently from quiet days. Trends behave differently from ranges. Experience teaches nuance. No shortcut replaces time. And time rewards those who stay disciplined. 12. Why comparison is destroying your progress. You see faster growth, bigger accounts, cleaner charts, and you feel behind. But comparison ignores starting point, capital, risk tolerance, experience. Your journey is not delayed. It's customized. Focus inward. 13. The power of boring trading. Boring trading is profitable trading. No adrenaline, no revenge, no excitement, just execution. If trading feels hard, you're probably seeking stimulation instead of consistency. Profit hides in boredom. 14. How to simplify trading without losing edge. Remove excess indicators, conflicting rules, noise. Add clear structure, defined risk, fewer but better trades. Simplicity is not weakness. It's refinement. 15. The moment trading changes forever. There comes a moment when you realize, I don't need to win today. That's when control returns. That's when patience grows. That's when trading stops feeling like a fight. 16. What to do when you feel like giving up. Step away, not forever, just briefly. Review data, not emotions. Reduce size. Return calm. Giving up ends the story. Pausing rewrites it. 17. Why you are not late. Markets will exist tomorrow. Opportunities will repeat. Skills compound. You're not late. You're early in understanding. 18. The quiet confidence of consistency. Consistency builds trust with yourself. Trust removes hesitation. Hesitation causes mistakes. This is how calm traders are created. 19. Trading is a mirror. Trading exposes impatience, fear, ego, discipline. It doesn't create these traits, it reveals them. Growth in trading equals growth in self-control. 20. If trading feels hard, that means it's working on you. Easy things don't change people. Hard things refine them. Trading is shaping you, not just as a trader, but as a decision maker. Stay with it. Learn slowly. Risk carefully. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent enough for long enough. And one day, quietly, without fireworks, you'll realize trading doesn't feel hard anymore. It feels normal.